Okay, good afternoon. Six students are there. My voice is audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, only one person is replying. What about others? Okay, fine. Okay, audible. Two persons are replied. What about Harsh, Devnash, and maybe Chain? Okay, only six people are there. No, just we can reply now. If no reply means just you are switching on and just keeping the phone. Okay, fine. Uh, in previous lecture, now, in previous lecture, we have complete the experiments from 1 to 5. You can see up to we have completed image segmentation using local thresholding and global thresholding, where the local thresholding is able to get a input from the user and process that and display the image. But in global thresholding, it gets the input from the image itself and process the output. Okay, up to this we have discussed deal with the most all the programs are deal with the grayscale image or black and white image. The next five programs are dealing with the colored image, are dealing with the colored image. Okay, now we are moving to the theoretical part. In this theoretical part, unit 6. Let's we can start with the colored image processing with your basic steps. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about program for color image processing. In this, there is a two part: color approximation and quantization. Approximation means we are adding a color. Quantization means we are reducing the color. Approximation means adding a color. Quantization means you are reducing the color. Okay, this is the basic principle of what is meant by color approximation and what is meant by color quantization. Color approximation is adding a color to the image. Quantization means we are reducing the color from the image. Okay, we can keep these two things in your mind. Then we can go for the practical session. Now I'm moving to the practical session. So I'm going to stop this. I'll be share the Octave online screen. I hope that we're able to see Octave online screen, which was I shared. Okay. Now, before going to the program, just we are doing some pre-exercise for the colored image. Okay, reading the image and color, displaying the image. It may be a colored image, or it may be a grayscale image, or it may be a black and white image. The reading and displaying is the same. Okay, for example, I'm using a is equal to I am read of reading an image n.png, closing it, semicolon. I read one image and store that image, convert the image into the matrix format and store it in the variable A. Now I am just displaying that image. I am show of A. This is the colored image. It is displayed. So reading and displaying any image, we are using a default method called IAMRead and IAMShow. IAMRead function is used to read the data. IAMShow is used to display the image. IAMRead means it will be read the image, convert into the matrix format for processing purpose. Okay. Now I already read the image. The image is stored in the variable A. I want to see what is the size of this image. For that, I want to use the command size of A. If I give size of A, it will be give three parts of data. The first part will be the row, the second part will be the column, third part will be the image. It may be a colored image, it is a grayscale image. We can see that 961 number of rows. So in this image, it will be consists of 961 rows and 860 columns. So 961 rows and 860 columns, the three representing the number of matrix. Here the number of matrix is 3 means it is a colored image. The matrix will be represented separately for red, green and blue. It will be separately represented for red, green, blue. Why it is a red, green, blue? It is a combination of these three colors. We are able to get a n number of colors. Okay. Now we are going to perform some arithmetic operations in the colored image. The data already we have stored that the variable A consists of the image, this colored image matrix. I'm going to perform subtraction in this matrix. So A, where the image is stored, dot minus of 150. Here the 150 is nothing but it is a pixel intensity value. I'm going to separate 150 value from the matrix. So if I put dot, it will be go for each and every element in the matrix and separate the value 150. Okay. Now the subtraction is completed. Now I want to display the image. I am show of B semicolon enter key. You can able to see this is an original image by the color image set. Just I am doing only the subtraction of pixel intensity value is 150. The image will be become dark. Some of the colors are removed. Again, I'm going to do the subtraction operation for 200. Enter key. Again, I'm going to display the image. Able to again the image will be become dark. So whenever if you are reducing the pixel intensity value, the image will be become darker. Again, I'm going to subtract the value from each 255. Enter key. Just display the image. You can see everything will be subtracted. So if 0 means the value will be black. If I want to give little bit brightness, so I want to perform subtraction or addition. Here I am going to increasing some values from 255 to 250. Just I'm displaying the image. Somehow the image will be displayed. Can you able to see? Somehow the image will be displaying. Again, we are going to increase the size to 240. Display. You're able to see that the image. So the meaning that you can also perform addition operation, multiplication operation also. I'm going to perform B is, for that I just clear the screen. The variable which have the value, the variable A which has the value, just I'm going to display the image. This is the original image. This is the original image. Now I'm going to perform multiplication operation in this value. So the image will be considered in the variable a dot multiply by 10 semicolon. I'm going to display. I'm displaying the image B. We can able to see some of the colors are removed. This is the original image. If I is performing multiplication, some of the colors are removed. So meaning that we are able to perform arithmetic operations in the colored image matrix. Also, it is same like that where we are able to use the grayscale or black and white image. Here you can see the colored image is also able to perform arithmetic operations, and you're able to change the color, everything. Okay, this is the basic things of the color image processing. The next thing is uh, we're going to see our program. Okay, for that I'm going to stop this screen. I'm going to show the program screen. Yes, this is the program where you are going to discuss today for the color image processing. Here, the first operation is color approximation. We are giving a color to the image by using color mapping method. We are giving a color to the image by using color mapping method. It uses 8-bit display. It uses 8-bit display, meaning that we are going to read an any grayscale image or a black and white image. We are going to apply the different types of colors, so the image will become color. But we can see here we are using only 8-bit display, so we're not able to get the true color, but you are able to get some more the color will be there. Okay, for that we are using a method called color map. This color map is used to apply the color or create the color according to the parameters. Color map is a method used to create a color according to the inputs. Here we can see the method we are going to use is prism, hot, summer, winter, cool. Like that, we're able to use what is the prism? What are the colors will be here? If we use the prism, meaning that it use the rainbow colors. So we can take a glass of rectangular piece of glass, pass a white ray, white light rose into that prism. That the light will be reflected in the other end in the terms of the light as well as the different colors. That is called the prism. So generally the prism will have the minimum 7 colors. So our color map will be generated for the 7 colors, and that color will be applied to the black and white or the grayscale image. You can see the color map is used to create a color matrix according to which color they are representing. Then it will be stored in the variable map. Then we have used the command called I am sure to display the image, but the image should be displayed within the color map, which is already given. So now the black and white image is little bit changed into the colored image, but the color will not get very smooth as well as we not get a fine colored. Okay, so there is some fixation should be there. So in our point of view, if you want to add a color to the image, you want to use a method called color map. Then you want to give the which is the different types of colors is available. Okay, now I'm going to execute this program and able to see the output. Okay, copy this program. I'm going to share the Octave online screen. I hope that you are able to visualize the screen. In this screen, I am going to copy the code. I'm changing the file name from JPG. We are removing into the 000 PNG where it is using a black and white image. And show the image, I am going to apply the color summer. SUMM, yeah, summer. Now I'm going to execute the program. Okay, we can able to see this is a black and white image. This image is converted into some colored image. Here the color we are using the sunny, light white, yellow color. We can same also we can able to change the color into hot. It is a single color. Somewhat will be becomes red color. Okay. Just a second. Again, I coming back. Just a second. Yes, I am back. So you can able to see some red color will be there. Same like that, you are able to change the color now. Okay, for example, change into or to improve. Check whether it is coming in the red color or not. Okay, it is not in the line. Now I'm using a color called prism. This prism is used to reflect the 7 colors in the image. Is a grayscale image, we can able to see 7 colors will be displayed. Again, changing this into the very visible diagram .png. I'm using the color name prism, PRISM prism, and change the image so you can able to see clearly. This is an image where we are applying the color, which is color type is a prism. Prism is nothing but in a prism, if you pass a white ray, it will be reflected different colors. That different colors are applied here. So the image approximation means we are going to apply a color in the black and white image or grayscale image. We are not able to apply exactly because we does not using a 24-bit colors. We are using only 8 bits to representing a color, so we're not able to get the true color. Okay, this is about the color approximation. Okay, now I'm going to copy this program in the chat box, try to execute it, and you can show me the output. Okay, I'm going to type the program in the chat box. Okay, try black and white image, a grayscale image. Okay, we're able to change the prism, the color map value as jet or we can use a summer or winter, cool, like that. Okay, you can able to change the prism. We can able to use prism or jet or summer or winter or cool. Try to execute this program and try to share the screen to me for the verification. So I'm just uh, stop sharing my screen. Okay, try to execute the program by using the different color map. Now I'm using the color map as set. I'm able to use the color map as summer. I'm able to use the color map as cool. We can able to execute with winter. These are all the same program, but the different color mode is applied so that the black and white image or grayscale image is able to get the colored image. Okay, those are completed. You can able to share the screen. Okay, dear students, those are completed. You can share your screen. Only one. Okay, fine. Not an issue. We can show it on next session. Today is only one program. It will be completed. If you share the screen to show the output, you can. So today only one experiment is given to you. Only 4 lines. Just we can try it and execute it. Yes, Srinarayanan. Okay, move on. You can try to work with winter or cool map. Okay, fine. Yes, thank you, Srinarayanan. Good. Okay, fine, fine. Thank you. Yes, Vijay Raj. You can move down. Yeah, fine. Okay, thank you, Vijay Raj. You can close it. Okay, those are completed. You can share your screen for verification.
Sir, I'm facing an error. It always says me like out of time, out of time.
Now, just we can show your screen. I'll be helping you.
Sure, sir. Just a minute.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Is my screen visible?
Just a second.
Sir, here it is.
Yes. Just I'm not able to see your screen clearly. Just we can maximize your window so that able to.
Is it enough now?
Yeah, fine, fine. Mm, what is the error is telling that? Okay, fine. Do one thing. Download the image, PNG image. Don't go for JPEG.
Okay. I better go for .png image, right?
Yes, 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 yes. It will size
Okay.
will be. less. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
Yes, Devnash. Okay, move down. Yes. Yes. Okay, fine, fine. Thank you, Devnash. We can stop sharing. Yes. Niti. Okay, move down. Niti. Okay. Yes. Yeah, fine. Fine. Okay, thank you. We can stop sharing. Yes, Amit Kumar. Yes. Okay, fine. Ma. Yeah, thank you. What about others, ma? Are you completed?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I tried a PNG image. Is again says that out of memory for expanding curve points.
No, just you can refresh that particular window, then
Okay,
you can
okay,
try to
okay,
execute the same thing. Okay.
okay, okay, sir.
Okay. What about others, ma? If you have the system or not, just you can reply in the chat so that we can come to one conclusion whether you are doing or not. Yes, Kalau. Yeah, we can show the output, no? Okay, move on. Okay, I already told that don't use the colored image. What is the difference between the input and output? There is no difference, no? Hello, you can able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Am I
That
audible?
yeah, I already told that just use the black and white or grayscale image. Then only this 8-bit color will be appeared. It will be able to display or view. In this colored image, you're not able to get a clear answer.
Yeah, because the picture is not changing. Even
That's
I'm
why,
using
man.
it.
That's why I'm telling that we are going to apply the color only to the grayscale image or black and white image.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Try to change the image, then we can show.
Okay, sir.
Sir, if done, we can leave or we have to stay.
Yeah, wait for 2 minutes.
Okay, sir. No issue.
Okay, fine students. Just you can drop your enrollment number for attendance. I'll be in online. Is there any doubt, please ask me. You can able to drop your enrollment number for attendance. So you can able to share your enrollment number for attendance and leave the class. I will be in online. If there any doubt, please let me know.
So how many colored images we will obtain?
Which one, ma?
Sir, the one which you told just now, I run the code and I got some outputs. Like many of the images are the same as earlier.
Okay,
I
just you
just only
can.
got two images with different colors
No,
and different.
just you can show the output. I'll be check.
Okay. Sir, let me present my screen.
Yeah.
I hope it is visible now.
Just a second. Yes, no. Yes.
It is visible.
Yes, it is visible. You can
So
move
it is
down.
the main image which I
Okay.
inserted,
Uh,
and output image is again the same, and then I got this one,
okay.
and then again it is the same, again the
Hmm.
same,
No,
again
you
the
can.
same.
No,
It
you can
says out
show.
of time.
No, you can show me the code.
Sure, sir. I can show you the code.
Yeah.
Here it is. The code.
Okay. Listen. You are continuously you are copied. Okay. Just a second. I'll be just dropping the code. That code only you able to execute. You copy all the codes. Okay. You can share your chat box.
Okay.
You can take only 4 line.
Okay.
Uh,
I need to combine it with the earlier one, or I
no,
need
no, no.
to run
Only
this.
take these 4 lines.
Okay.
Paste it in the Octave command window, change the file name, execute it.
Just a second, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Let me do that.
I'm done now, sir.
Yes, it is working fine. Yes, sir. I'm getting the output.
Okay, now what happened? Again, you want to copy this code, change
Yes, sir.
only the prism into summer. You want to copy the same code, paste it in the command prompt, change the
Pris-
file
Prism
name
to
as
summer. Okay.
prism to summer. Then you are able to get the another output.
Okay.
Yes,
I
now you
understood, sir.
can now you can able to show the output.
Yes, sir. I can show you the output. Just
Yeah.
let me type the summer too.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. I'm getting the perfect output.
Yeah.
Let me present you. I hope my screen is visible now.
No, no, no. Wait. Yes, now it is visible. Now you are getting the output. No.
Yes, sir. I'm getting it is the one for Prism and
Hmm.
it is the one for summer.
Okay, fine now. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Ma. So I'm requesting to drop your enrollment number for attendance.
I dropped, sir, already.
Yeah, you can leave the class. Ma. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Yes, color. We can show me the output. Yeah, you can move down. Okay, fine, ma. Fine. Thank you. Hello, we can close it. You can drop your enrollment number. Okay, fine. Those are given the enrollment number. We can leave the class.